Hello and welcome to my video. This video is an update for my almost $1 million stock portfolio video. Before I begin, I want to talk about the Monk Way. He allowed me to use his YouTube mastery course for free. How to start a $1 million business online with no money. In this video, he talks about his YouTube mastery course. He helped me out a lot and I feel bad that I didn't get him anything in return. So I'm going to try and help promote his channel and his YouTube mastery course. I read over the course. And some of the information presented in the course I already knew due to the fact that I was already researching on how to get subscribers for my channel. If you succeed on YouTube, you could easily make $10,000 with 100,000 subscribers, or rather 20,000 views per day on YouTube. At the moment, I'm currently making $100 a month from YouTube. I hope to one day make $1,000 and eventually $10,000 a month. That is my goal. Making YouTube videos is not easy, but if you're serious about earning a serious income on YouTube, check out the Monk Way's YouTube Mastery course. It really helped me out getting subscribers. Now, back to my almost $1 million stock portfolio. This is an update to my portfolio. March has not been a good month for me. I believe when Aurora finally merged with CMED, the stock will rebound. I do believe a $7 to $8 is a good buying opportunity, and any lower price range is a steal. Aurora is a really good investment in my eyes. You can't go wrong buying and holding the company long term. I am also going to be updating what I bought and sold in March. In March, I bought 35,000 shares of Namaste at an average of $1.75, and I bought 15,000 more shares of Hemco at $1.05, 5,000 shares of Hive stock for $1.17. I also bought 1,000 shares of AMD stock at $10.10 to try to do an easy swing trade. I bought 10,000 shares of FAR Resources at 40 cents. If you want me to explain what and why I bought FAR Resource, please let me know in the comments below. The last stock I bought was Village Farms, 2,000 shares at $5.11. Back. Thanks for watching. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for future updates and have a great day.